This is going to be another way on how to impress your friends with the Rubik's Cube. I've already done the first video of how I do this. That's that one, so I'm going to recap that one and show you how to do it again. And you just repeat it 3 times, and then it resolves itself. And if you do it really fast, it'll look like you're actually like messing it up and stuff. Like that. So I'm going to show you another way you can do it. Just do M2, U2, M2, U2, M2, U2, M2, U2. Now I'm not really fast at using the middle layers, but if you practice it, you can get much faster. So I'll just do it. Whoops. Like that. Now, that might be harder for a lot of people, so I'm trying to find up with another one. It's the only one I really know. But that's another way on how to do it. Or you can keep doing MU. Yeah, MU. Yeah. It's a little easier to wrap your head around. There we go. So yeah, these are 2 more ways on how to impress your friends with the Rubik's Cube. That has been my most viewed videos, 8 views, which is not very many, but my channel is just starting up. So yeah, it's gonna be another 2 more ways to impress your friends with the Rubik's Cube. Anyway, goodbye. Thanks for watching.